Hello, my name is Sang-ho. I'm a CEO and founder of a company called Mand.ro, and we make affordable prosthetic hand for the people with amputation. The reason why we are doing this is because there are too many amputees coming from conflict zones and wars in Middle East. For example, if you see Syria, then 1 million of injured people, among them 8% of population, they need prosthetics. For example, if you see Iraq and Yemen, then bigger population requires bigger number of prosthetics. But unfortunately, in the market, the legacy myolitic hand costs $40,000 per hand. That is way too expensive than they can afford it. So that if you see also above elbow shoulder amputation, it's kind of a double. So that due to the expensive cost, only 0.1% of people they can utilize for their life. So that was too bad. So that this is the reason why we made our mission like that. Make it affordable anyway. So that we started early of 2015. From the scratch and with 3D printing technology and affordable ways. And 1 year and 6 months later, we were able to release our first version in South Korean market under the smartphone price range, like less than $1,000. And thanks to KOICA, Korean Aid Agency, we were able to donate and distribute our solutions to the people in need in around Jordan, in Middle East. So we selected Syrian refugees the most, and we covered more than 150 people, and we donate 400 hands. Now we have business entity in Jordan for the long-term support and making sustainable business in our Middle East. And you can see from this video that what we have done in the last year in around Jordan, and you can see how we work actually. I'm now using 3D scanner to scan the human body, and then we effectively customize the socket with the 3D modeling and printing technology within 1 day. And we provide the fitting in the next day, and we train people how to use his muscle to control the arm. And the boy is, for example, now learning how to use his muscle to control the hand. And then people just utilize it. So grasping, holding something, and to drink some water, and writing something with a pencil and paper. And in this way, this is not only assisting people's daily life, but also it provides kind of confidence for them so that they can do more having social relationships and hanging around with other people like that way. So we are not only providing a kind of a technology and solutions, but also we train local people that they can make more sustainable and long-term support for the local amputees. Like that way, we work like that. And this is our small team, but we'd love to hear your voices, and we need more collaboration and cooperation in our Middle East. Thank you very much.